that's another thing, the teachers don't, I feel like don't baby them with their work as much. I feel like Juliana has more of a responsibility to get it done on her own. And there's been times where I'm like, she doesn't, sometimes maybe she's not sure of something. I'm like, well, why don't you ask? They're not going to hold your hand, and which is good, because I feel like they did that more in the public school. Check the notebook, make sure everything was in place, and she's getting older now, and she has learned more responsibility with that.
It's like training for life, educationally, being accountable for yourself, and then you get the spiritual element, praying for yourself, developing your own relationship with God, all in one. And it's just something that she was getting at home, and now we're just so happy she's getting during the day too, because they're here 9-10 hours a day. I mean, it's just crazy to think that they were in an environment that wasn't giving them the love and teaching them the respect and teaching them, the spiritual truths and challenging them educationally.